How will the Swiss economy fare in the years 2023 and 2024? That's the question we're here to delve into today. Switzerland, renowned for its strong, resilient economy, now faces an unusual trend. Experts predict a below-average economic growth for the Swiss nation in the coming years. In this analysis, we're not just looking at numbers, we're going beyond the surface to explore the undercurrents shaping this economic outlook. We're talking about geopolitics, the global tensions, the trade disputes, the regional challenges, and how they're impacting this little but powerful nation nestled in the heart of Europe. The Swiss economy doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's part of a complex, interconnected global system where a ripple in one region can create waves in another. So to truly grasp what's in store for Switzerland's economy in 2023 and 2024, we need to delve into the geopolitical factors shaping the Swiss economy. Several geopolitical factors cast their shadows over the Swiss economic landscape. As we delve deeper into the Swiss economic outlook, it's crucial to understand the geopolitical influences at play. Firstly, let's discuss global political tensions. In the interconnected world of today, political unrest and instability in one region can ripple across the globe, impacting economies far and wide. Switzerland, renowned for its neutrality, is not immune to these global dynamics. For instance, escalating tensions in the Middle East or Asia can disrupt global supply chains, affecting Swiss exports and imports. Likewise, political turmoil within the European Union, Switzerland's major trading partner, can also significantly impact the Swiss economy. Next, we have trade disputes. Trade disputes, often sparked by political disagreements, can create uncertainty and volatility in global markets. Switzerland, with its open and export-oriented economy, is particularly susceptible to such disputes. For example, a trade dispute between the United States and China, two of Switzerland's significant trading partners, could lead to a decrease in Swiss exports to these countries. Additionally, punitive tariffs or trade barriers can make Swiss goods less competitive on the global market, further hampering economic growth. Lastly, regional challenges also play a significant role. Switzerland, being landlocked and situated in the heart of Europe, is profoundly influenced by the socio-political and economic dynamics of its neighbors. Any economic slowdown or political instability in neighboring countries can have direct implications for Switzerland. A case in point is the Brexit saga. The United Kingdom's decision to leave the European Union created a ripple effect throughout Europe, affecting trade, investment, and migration patterns, thereby impacting the Swiss economy. Moreover, Switzerland's unique relationship with the European Union, characterized by numerous bilateral agreements rather than full membership, adds another layer of complexity. Any changes in EU policies or regulations could necessitate renegotiations of these agreements, creating uncertainty for Swiss businesses and investors. It's important to note that these geopolitical factors are not isolated. They interact and intertwine in complex ways, magnifying their impact on the Swiss economy. For instance, global political tensions can exacerbate trade disputes, which in turn can amplify regional challenges. In a nutshell, Switzerland, like any other country, is not an island. It's embedded in a complex web of global and regional dynamics. These geopolitical factors, global political tensions, trade disputes, and regional challenges can significantly influence the Swiss economic outlook, potentially impacting its growth prospects. The implications of these geopolitical factors extend beyond the macroeconomic level, affecting various sectors in the workforce. In the next scene, we'll delve into how these factors may impact specific sectors of the Swiss economy, such as finance, technology, and manufacturing. Stay tuned as we continue this riveting exploration into the Swiss economic outlook for 2023 and 2024. Geopolitical factors do not impact all sectors equally. This statement rings true when examining the Swiss economic outlook for 2023 and 2024. Let's delve into this intricate interplay between geopolitical factors and various sectors of the Swiss economy. The finance sector, for instance, is particularly sensitive to geopolitical tensions. As we've seen in the past, political unrest or conflict can lead to market volatility, which directly affects financial institutions. In Switzerland, home to some of the world's largest banks and insurance companies, any disruption could significantly impact economic growth. Therefore, a close eye should be kept on the geopolitical landscape, as it may trigger a ripple effect through the Swiss financial sector. Shifting our focus to the technology sector, it's clear that this industry is not immune to geopolitical influences either. Trade disputes, for example, can hinder the import and export of tech goods and services, disrupting supply chains and hampering growth. This is a pressing concern for Switzerland, given its robust tech sector, which includes everything from software development to biotech research. Thus, any geopolitical tension that threatens global trade could potentially stifle innovation and economic growth in this sector. Now let's consider the manufacturing industry. This sector is also susceptible to geopolitical shifts, particularly those affecting trade agreements and tariffs. Given that Switzerland is a significant player in high-precision manufacturing, especially in the watchmaking, pharmaceutical, and machinery industries, any changes in global trade dynamics could have profound effects. For instance, if a major trading partner were to impose tariffs on Swiss goods, it could lead to a decrease in exports, impacting the profitability of these industries and consequently the Swiss economy. Of course, these are just a few examples of how geopolitical factors can influence different sectors. Each industry has its own set of vulnerabilities and strengths that can either buffer or amplify the effects of these geopolitical shifts. It's important to remember that these impacts can also have a domino effect, influencing other areas of the economy. For example, a downturn in the tech sector could lead to job losses, which in turn could affect consumer spending and the real estate market. Similarly, challenges in the financial sector could impact investment in other industries, potentially stifling economic growth more broadly. In summary, the geopolitical landscape plays a crucial role in shaping the Swiss economic outlook. It's a complex web of cause and effect, where changes in one area can reverberate through the entire economy. As we move into 2023 and 2024, it will be essential for businesses, investors, and policymakers to closely monitor these geopolitical factors and their sector-specific impacts. These sector-specific impacts also have significant implications for the Swiss workforce and investment climate. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into these implications in the next segment of our discussion. The ripple effects of these geopolitical factors reach the Swiss workforce and investors. As we navigate these uncertain waters, it is essential to grasp the potential implications for both employees and investors in the Swiss economy. The forecasted economic downturn could indeed pose challenges for the workforce. It's likely we may see a shift in the job market, with certain sectors potentially facing layoffs or hiring freezes. But it's important to remember that every cloud has a silver lining. These changes also bring the opportunity for professionals to adapt, reskill, and diversify their skill sets. Industries such as digital technology, sustainable energy, and healthcare may well see growth, offering new career paths and opportunities for those ready to ride the wave of change. Switching our focus to investments, the landscape is equally complex. The uncertain economic outlook may cause some investors to adopt a more conservative approach, potentially pulling back from high-risk ventures. However, as the saying goes, fortune favors the bold. And for those willing to take calculated risks, there may be opportunities to be found. Sectors poised for growth, such as green technology and healthcare, could present promising investment avenues. Moreover, the Swiss market's reputation for stability and strong governance could make it an attractive destination for foreign investments. It's possible that investors looking to diversify their portfolios against global uncertainties might turn their attention to Switzerland's robust and resilient sectors. In the face of these challenges, businesses will need to be proactive, agile, and innovative, seeking out new markets and opportunities. Workers will need to be adaptable, continually upskilling to keep pace with the changing job market. And investors will need to be discerning, balancing caution with calculated risk-taking. In essence, the Swiss economic outlook is not just about figures and forecasts, it's about people, their livelihoods, their aspirations, and their resilience in the face of change. It's about businesses, their ability to adapt and thrive, and their role in shaping the economic landscape. And it's about investors, their appetite for risk, and their impact on the economy. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for making well-informed strategic decisions. In conclusion, the Swiss economic outlook for 2023 and 2024 is shaped by a complex interplay of geopolitical factors. This interplay, as we've discussed, is causing a projected economic growth that is significantly below average. Global political tensions, trade disputes, and regional challenges are all key players in this intricate game. The potential impacts on various sectors, finance, technology, and manufacturing, are noteworthy. These sectors, vital to the Swiss economy, may bear the brunt of this anticipated downturn. And let's not forget the implications for the Swiss workforce, investments, and future business prospects. These are all areas we need to watch closely, as they will shape the economic landscape in the coming years. By understanding these dynamics, we can make strategic decisions and adapt to the evolving economic landscape. We aim to provide you with precise, reliable, and actionable insights that help you navigate potential challenges and seize opportunities. Subscribe to our channel for more analyses on global economics and geopolitics. Stay informed, stay ahead.